Hi everyone, Alex here from Line5 Tutorials and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Lumos, the Lumos Spell in Adobe After Effects. First of all, you need a shot like this. Bring it into After Effects and open the tracker window. And if you don't find it, go to Window and select Tracker. From here, select Track Motion and choose only the position property. Put the inner box onto your finger and make the outer box a little bit larger. After that, hit the play button and After Effects will track the motion of your finger. Create a null object, go to Edit Tracker and select from there your null object, click OK and then click Apply. On your footage, add the lens flare effect and tweak the settings like you want. Alt click on the stopwatch beside the flare center and with the pick whip tool parent it to the position of the null object. And now you are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for weekly content about Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects and also cinematography.